In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user to Squarespace. Whether you're running a personal blog or managing an online store, having the ability to add contributors is essential. It helps in sharing responsibilities and enhancing the overall efficiency of your website management. Follow these easy steps and you'll have your new contributor set up in no time. First things first, you'll need to log into Squarespace. Head over to the Squarespace website and locate the login option. Once you're there, click on Login to begin. If you're like many people, you probably have your account linked to your Google profile. In that case, click on Continue with Google. This method is not only quicker, but also helps you manage fewer passwords. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll see a list of your websites. Click on the website where you'd like to add a new user. Now that you're on your site's dashboard, it's time to navigate to the site's settings. Locate the settings option, which should be one of the first things you see, possibly alongside other main options like pages and design. Go ahead and click on it. Once you're in the settings, aim for the permissions and ownership section, which is crucial when you're trying to add a new user. Clicking on permissions and ownership will lead you to another screen that gives you control over who manages your website, what roles they have, and so on. On this page, seek out the Invite Contributor button. It's your entryway to adding another pair of hands to your site. At this stage, you'll enter the new user's information. Start by typing in their name. This will help you easily identify this user among all others you may add in the future. After entering their name, move on to typing in their email address. This is important because Squarespace will use this email to send an invitation to the user. The next step involves selecting the level of access you wish to grant. Squarespace offers different roles such as admin, editor, billing, and others, depending on the nature of the tasks they'll be responsible for. Be thoughtful about this choice. You want the user to have enough access to perform their required tasks, but not so much that your website's integrity could be compromised. After you've chosen the right level of access, it's time to finalize the process. Simply click Invite, and Squarespace will take care of the rest. Your designated user will receive an invitation in their email, allowing them to join your Squarespace site with the permissions you've set. With these straightforward steps, you've successfully invited a user to contribute to your Squarespace site. This should make your content management far easier and more collaborative. Thank you for watching, and feel free to contact us with any more questions about managing your Squarespace website.